Hi everyone! Thank you for joining me for story times today. Today's book we're going to read is B is for Brownies. It is an ABC baking book. Now this one is perfect for little ones who are learning their ABCs and also loves to bake. And let's get started. Baking brownies is fun. The alphabet is too. Both better with practice and simple to do. A is for apron, tight around tight. B is for butter, melted just right. C is for chocolate, tasty and strong. D is for ding, the timer's sweet song. E is for eggs, cracked in, stirred slick. F is for flour, whisked until thick. G is for gooey, the batter now ready. H is for helpers, our hands pour steady. I is for ingredients, so easy and so few. J is for joy, smiling, dancing, woohoo! K is for kindness, like sharing our treats. L is for love, what makes them so sweet. M is for messy, let's clean as we go. N is for neat, now I feel like a pro. O is for oven, opened only with a mitt. P is for pan, ready to eat in a bit. Q is for quick, that was easy and fun. R is for recipe, can't believe that we're done. S is for sweet, it smells so great. T is for test, it's so hard to wait. U is for underbaked, they're still a little wet. V is for very, that's how excited we get. W is for wait, it's quite hard to stop. X is for don't eat yet, they are too hot. Y is for yummy, round brownies are the best. Z is for Z's, time for little bakers to rest. The end. Now if you do purchase this book, at the very end they have a beginner brownies recipe right here. If you like this book, they have other books as well. They also have 1, 2, 3, 4 cake and cookie truck, which is a sugar cookie shapes book. And my son loved that one as well. If you like this book and video, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, I will include the link down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.